Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today I am starting with a new playlist where you would be getting all the details on the waterproofing products by Dr. Fixit. So here our first product about which we would be discussing each and every detail is Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+. That is an integral liquid waterproofing compound for concrete and plastering. Details like where and how can it be applied, benefits of using this product, its properties, its characteristics, recommended dosage, its life, precautions and limitations, etc. would be covered in this video. So if you are interested in obtaining any of such information, do watch this entire video and subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is a kind of waterproofing chemical which can be used for repair work as well as for new construction to prevent water leakage. And we all know that water is the greatest enemy of any RCC structure. Now we will see the basic description of this product. Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+ is specially formulated integral liquid waterproofing compound made up of surface active plasticizing agents, which is the chemical which keeps our product in liquid form, polymers and other additives to provide the coating. It is used as an additive for cement, concrete, mortar and plasters. Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+ is generally mixed either with cement concrete or cement mortar. It makes concrete cohesive and prevents segregation, that is, makes all the particles to remain bound together. And now, we'll talk about where can it be applied. Waterproofing of concrete and sand cement mortars. So the following are the places where we can apply this chemical with concrete or sand cement mortar. Basements, roof slabs and screeds, water tanks and water retaining structures, external plastering, bathrooms and balconies, sumps and drains, and how can we apply this would be explained at last. Next we will be looking for its characteristics. So here our first point is corrosion resistant. Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+ makes concrete cohesive, due to which the steel inside it does not come in contact with water and gets protected from rusting. Next is compatibility, which means this mixes well with all the ingredients of cement concrete. Next is permeability. Mixing this with cement concrete or mortar decreases water permeability, due to which once it sets, water will not be able to penetrate in. Next is strength. Due to Pidiproof LW+, strength of the concrete or mortar does not decrease. Then we have shrinkage. Sometimes it so happens that due to changes in temperature, there may be increase or decrease in the volume of the concrete and the cracks develops on the surface. Mixing this Dr. Fixit product with concrete prevents this problem. Then our next characteristic is workability. Mixing this chemical with fresh cement concrete or mortar increases the workability, that is the ease with which we can work on it. And so casting would be done properly with minimum voids even without mixing extra water. And the last characteristic of this product is its durability. Mixing this chemical would make our structure highly durable due to the decrease in water permeability. As I explained, the steel will not come in contact with water. Then we will talk about available packing of this product in the market. This is available in packing of 200 ml, 1 liter, 5 liter, 10, 20 and 100 liter. Then we will see the recommended dosage by Dr. Fixit. That is, how much chemical should we use. So as suggested by Dr. Fixit, Pidiproof LW+ should be used 200 ml per 50 kg, that is 200 ml per cement bag. And these are the few properties of Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+. Like appearance of this chemical is free flowing liquid. Its color is wine red. Its specific gravity at standard temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, is 1.04 to 1.09. And non-volatile content is 13.5 to 14.5%. Then talking about the pH value, it is between 11 to 14. And the chloride content here is maximum 2%. And now we will see how to apply this. That is actually on construction site, how is it used. Add dry cement and aggregate to concrete mixer as per the mix design. Mix in dry state for about 2 minutes. Then start addition of about 75% water and mix for 2 minutes. Then Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+ is added as per the recommended dosage into the remaining 25% water. Then add to concrete mixture and mix for another 2 minutes. Now it is ready for use. Then we will talk about precautions and limitations for using this. Do not add Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+ directly to dry cement and aggregate mix. That is, we always should mix it with water or else it would not mix uniformly. Maintain water cement ratio as low as possible because here our chemical will boost up the workability. Do not increase the dosage of Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW Plus than recommendation. That is 200 ml Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW Plus per 50 kg cement bag. Now we will talk about its life. That is, in how much time should we use this after purchase. It should be used best before 2 years from the date of manufacture when in sealed pack and stored under proper condition. But it should be stored in cool and dry place. Now at last we will talk about health and safety for using this product. Use rubber hand gloves and safety goggles while using Dr. Fixit Pidiproof LW+. In case of contact with skin, wash with plenty of water. Keep out of reach of children. So friends, I hope this video was useful for you. If this is so, just comment down in the chat box. Also like this video and subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.